The line of GlenDel buck targets are the biggest and toughest 3D archery targets in the business. GlenDel's unmatched durability and realistic design makes GlenDel the best 3D archery targets in the industry. You know, I don't know what the targets in your backyard look like, but this is my old GlenDel buck here I've had several years. And he's been with me a long time because the GlenDel Buck 3D line of archery targets are the toughest, longest lasting 3D archery targets in the business. And that's because they have a four-sided core that once you shoot out one side, you can turn this thing 4 times for added target life. As you can see, this guy's been here a long time. He's all weathered, birds been picking at him, but by turning this core, he's gonna last me a whole lot longer, save me dollars. And with the GlenDel's added easy arrow removal, shooter fatigue is not a factor. So get yourself a family heirloom in your backyard, and I guarantee a GlenDel buck will last you a long time.
The best thing about the Hurricane bag targets is my offset vitals. I never have to worry about wearing out the center of my target like you do so many of your other brands out there. I've got my heavy dew handle, flip it around, I can carry that wherever I go. I've got red, I've got black, I don't have to worry about target pinning, and most everything, I don't have to worry about wearing out my target. This will stop all my field points, no problem. Easy arrow removal. Got my heavy handle. You can pack this baby anywhere you want to go on your hunting trip. One of the best things about the bag targets is they're so versatile. Whether I'm setting it on the ground or using these points right here to hang it from a shooting stand or hang it from a tree or anything in your camp, that's what makes the bag targets so versatile. And with your 1000 PSI tri-core technology, this target can withstand all of the conditions. That's why it's called Hurricane. It'll withstand any storm that you can put it through. Hurricane, taking the industry by storm.
Shooter, it's a shooter. If you'd like to practice in your backyard on a lifelike target, but the price of 3D targets has got you down, that's all changed now with the shooter. The shooter stands 31 inches tall to shoulder, and he's got 125 Hope and Young inches of lifelike antler on his head. The shooter can take field points, mechanical broadheads, fixed bladed broadheads, and remember, this removable insert is 25% larger than any other 3D target in its class.